Hi there, this is Kimberly with Beauty by Sound, and I'm super excited to show you today the latest lip launch from Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. It is the Luxe Liquid Lip Collection. Say that 5 times. There are 9 gorgeous mattes and 9 gorgeous shines. Can't wait to show you my favorite shades. Let's get started. So this first shade is from the shine portion of the collection, and I just love, oh, look how pretty. This is the Tahiti Pink color, and I just love, oh, look how pretty when you put it on. Using the tip to define the bow. It has such cushion. It's so pretty. And it doesn't feel slippery, and I feel like it's gonna stay in place. So this high shine really feels super wearable, and I'm loving the collection. Look at that, it's so pretty. It's called Tahiti Pink. It's got almost like this cushion, like I was saying. So this is the first of the shades I wanted to show you what it looked like. This is the Tahiti Pink, and what's great is you can tell that it is the shine one because it has a shiny cap versus the matte, you know, then is a matte. So there's 9 shades in this shine, and I'm just obsessed with this color. It's called Tahiti Pink. And what's great about the cushion in the shine formula is that it makes my lips feel fuller, smoother, and it actually over time is gonna help my lips feel even better and look smoother and a little bit plumper. So this is the Tahiti Pink. Now let's jump into the next color. Okay, so this is Wild Orchid. Look how luxe and gorge. And this color will be so gorgeous for an evening look. I'm gonna stop talking. Look how little goes a long way. And I'm using the actual tip of the wand to create the shape. No liner. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Gorge. I mean, if you want somebody to listen to you, make a statement with your lips, I think I'll be wearing a little Wild Orchid next time I need to discuss things with my husband. I need my point of view to get across. This is Wild Orchid, the high shine. Oof, statement va-va-voom lips. It feels so good. Look at the stain that the Wild Orchid color left on my lips, but now we're gonna move into the matte, and my 3 favorites on the matte. This is the Uber Pink. Wow, look at that. So I just apply it to my bottom lip and then perfect the bow. Look at that. So easy to put on. And wow, that is like the perfect, I mean, nudish pink. Goes with any eye look. Oh my gosh, I would wear this even with no makeup. This is an awesome color. And do you see how quick the dry down is? And this stays in place. Wow. But it feels smooth. It doesn't make my lips feel tight. Sometimes when I try on those matte liquid lips, my lips go, I feel like I've sucked on something sour, but I still have that cushiony feel. Gorge. Love, love, love. So this is the matte, and this is the Uber Pink. I've actually got early samples of this, and I've already gone through 1 tube of it. It's such a good pink. Okay, so that's Uber Pink in the matte. Let's move on to some more. Fun. Okay, I owe to you 2 more Luxe Velvet Matte Liquid Lips to show you to complete this awesome video, which reviews all of our new Bobbi Brown Luxe Liquid Lips. So there are 9 high shine, there's 9 velvet matte, and there's also already like the original bullet Luxe bullets, and there's the matte bullets, which I did a video on. So I wanted to complete this video and show you 2 of my favorites in this matte velvet. So let's start with the nude because it'll be easier to take off. So let's experience Tomboy. And you can see the color. It's a great, rich, sort of super trendy, gorgeous, rich lip. Perfect for fall. It's like a fall neutral. I love wearing these colors. Almost reminds me of a couple of the colors that the Kardashian girls will wear. So you can really play up this tone, which I love, and do like a whole monochromatic makeup. You could build this color into your eyeshadow. Look how gorgeous. And I could definitely see this color working on a lot of different skin tones as well. So this is called Tomboy. What I love about the Luxe Velvet Matte is that you could see when I first put it on, it had a bit of a shine to it. So it was movable and flexible, and I shaped with the doe foot. And now it's drying down to this gorgeous sort of plump matte finish. And it doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel heavy. And I literally feel like I have nothing on my lips. So I find I'll put a wipe of this on and I carry through it my day. And everyone's like, oh, I love your lip color, I love your lip color. I'm like, oh, what am I wearing? And it's so lightweight, I forget that I'm almost wearing it. So this is, hi, okay. So now this one, look at me pulling back and looking in the shade. I don't know about you, but I'm definitely looking forward to, I think, glasses full time soon. So stay tuned. So this is called Brocade. Obsessed with these vibrant violet shades. So you can see as we pull it out, you get gorgeous color right away. And let's apply. So I apply bottom lip. Gorge. Oh my gosh. I gently press my lips together. And then I just perfect the top. I didn't go back into the tube. And, oh, look at that, gorgeous color. Oh my, it feels so good. It actually stops me from talking. Cleaning off my teeth. There you go, there. Look at that. Now talk about va-va-voom, bold, gorgeous. Again, how amazing would this color be? You know, yes, it looks great with a leopard print. It looked great with a big turtleneck, even something sexy at night, like a black silk top if you're going out for holiday. So this color is called Brocade. And again, the color is so intense and so beautiful. I could definitely see it working on a wide range of skin tones. And again, feels so lightweight. I can't believe I have this much color on my lips, and it feels like I almost have nothing on my lips. So this is called Brocade, my other fave. Hope you found this video helpful, at least inspirational to go out, try a great fall color, and can't wait to see your reviews. Let me know what you think, or even if you have a favorite color, you want some more tips and tricks on anything to do with lips or makeup or beauty. Always here for you. Thank you so much for watching. Huge hugs. Bye.